Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. In this video, we're diving into a game-changing supplement, the Dermal Repair Complex Beverly Hills MD Capsules. If you're looking for a solution to hydrate, rejuvenate, and restore your skin, this might be just what you've been searching for. Let's talk about what makes these capsules stand out. The Dermal Repair Complex is an advanced anti-aging formula designed to target the root causes of aging skin. With a powerful blend of natural ingredients, including phytoceramides and alpha-lipoic acid, this supplement works to support your skin from the inside out. Phytoceramides are known to help your skin retain moisture, while alpha-lipoic acid provides potent antioxidant properties, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Together, they help bring that healthy, youthful glow back to your complexion. The beauty of this product lies in its liquid-filled capsules, which ensure quick absorption of all those nourishing nutrients. Unlike other supplements that may take time to break down in your stomach, these capsules are designed for fast results, so you can start noticing smoother, softer, and more hydrated skin in no time. And the best part? This supplement is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply take 2 capsules per day with a meal, and you're all set. It's a small change with big potential benefits. If you've been struggling with dry skin or the appearance of wrinkles, this might be the perfect addition to your skincare regimen. Manufactured in the USA in a GMP-certified facility, you can rest assured knowing that you're putting only the best ingredients into your body. These capsules are free from harmful fillers and GMOs, making them a great choice for anyone looking for a clean, effective skincare supplement. One of the most impressive features of the Dermal Repair Complex is its commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with the results, they offer a 120-day money-back guarantee. That's a bold statement of confidence in the quality and effectiveness of this product. So, if you're ready to give your skin the care it deserves, the Dermal Repair Complex Beverly Hills MD Capsules might just be your new best friend. It's a simple yet effective way to achieve healthy, glowing skin. And who doesn't want that? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Thanks for watching.